Bringing a product to market is not just about building it. It's about positioning, launching, and scaling it successfully. A good go-to-market strategy ensures that the right audience discovers your software, understands its value, and adapts to it effectively. Hi, I am Chaitra, working as a business analyst in GeekyAnts. And today, let's learn essential go-to-market strategies for a successful software launch. First, what is go-to-market? It is a step-by-step plan that defines how a company will bring its product or service to market, reach its audience, and achieve a competitive advantage. It outlines who the product is for, why it matters, and how will it be sold and promoted effectively. And why is it important? Like I said earlier, GTM ensures the product reaches the right audience, creates demand, and generates revenue effectively, preventing costly mistakes and misalignments. In short, GTM is the blueprint for successfully launching and scaling a product in market. Before launching, it's crucial to understand your target market. Ask yourself these 3 questions. Who is the ideal customer? The demographics, pain points, and buying behavior. Next, what problem does your software solve? Defining a solid problem statement will help us stay focused. And last, how does your solution compare to the competitors? It is important to do a thorough competitive analysis. In this way, we can identify what are the gaps the competitive apps have. Use tools like customer survey, competitive analysis, market research to refine your approach. The better you understand your audience, the better your GTM strategy will be. Defining value proposition. Value proposition is the key message that tells the customers why they should choose your software. This mainly answers 2 important questions. How is it unique and how is it better compared to the competitive apps? A good framework is the XYZ statement. We help target audience achieve benefit by providing the solution. So taking an example, if you're launching an AI-based mental health care app, we help young professionals reduce their stress and anxiety by an AI-powered personalized healthcare session. We help young professionals reduce their stress and anxiety through AI-powered personalized therapy sessions. Having this clarity helps in marketing, sales, and investor pitches. Choosing the right GTM strategy. There are 3 main strategies, and the right choice depends on your business model. Self-service. Ideal for low-cost SaaS-based products with a freemium model. So if you have a low-cost SaaS-based products, let customers sign up and experience it for free with a freemium model. Some examples could be Slack and Dropbox. Sales-led. For enterprise solutions, use direct sales, demos, and relationship building. This is common for B2B applications. And then, hybrid approach. A mix of both, where you attract users with self-service, but offer premium plans with dedicated sales support. Once your strategy is clear, it's time to acquire customers through various channels. And some of those channels are SEO and content management. Write blogs, guides, and case studies to attract organic traffic. Email and cold outreach. Use targeted email campaigns and LinkedIn outreach. Social media and communities. Engage in LinkedIn groups, Reddit, and Discord communities. Paid advertising. Run Google and Meta ads for quick traction. Partnerships and influencers. Collaborate with industry influencers and complementary software providers. And of course, referral programs. Encourage existing users to refer new customers with incentives like bonuses and discounts. You cannot improve what you cannot track. Measuring and optimizing your GTM strategy. Track these key matrices: customer acquisition cost, customer lifetime value, conversion rate, retention and churn rates. Use tools like Google Analytics, HubSpot, Mixpanel to analyze user behavior and optimize your approach. So, a well-executed go-to-market strategy is the difference between a product that struggles to gain traction and one that dominates its market. By understanding your audience, refining your value proposition, and leveraging the right acquisition channels, you can drive sustainable growth and long-term success. The key is not just launching, it's about scaling strategically. Now it's time to turn strategy into action and bring your product to market with confidence. Thank you.